There's a simmering frustration lurking within every New Yorker. A shared experience so deeply infuriating, it makes us all want to... The cause?
Slow walkers.
New series, Disrespectful Walkers of New York. It's just way too slow. How do I get around? I can't get around.
Many New Yorkers say slow walkers are ruining our sidewalks.
Caterpillar moves people and goods across the globe. Bridges, highways, tunnels. We keep things flowing. So why not take that same expertise to the sidewalks of New York City during its busiest time of the year, New York Fashion Week? Introducing the Catwalk, a dedicated fast lane for pedestrians who can keep up the pace. Thanks to Caterpillar, the 6 million people who walk New York every day can navigate the Fashion Week tourist rush with a mile of uninterrupted traffic flow backed by a citywide takeover with live pedestrian reports.
They added an express lane to the sidewalk.
Live from the catwalk, traffic is flowing smoothly.
Look how fast I'm walking! 5 miles per hour.
Caterpillar is committed to innovation that pushes us forward. So let's give New Yorkers a break from
bad walkers.
Catwalk by Caterpillar.